Hey guys, welcome back to Drunko Collectibles. I thought we'd do another Pokemon episode, but with a twist. I thought we could make a new kind of video called ShoeBox Pokémon, and that's because everybody has their Pokemon that's just been sitting away for years, so I thought we would see how many people we know had some. So this actually comes from a close friend of mine. Her name's Angel, and she had some old Pokemon that she gave to us, and we're gonna open it right here in this video. Hope you guys enjoy this, and if you liked it, let me know, and we'll do a whole bunch more.
Cards. Joined here with Tay, so he'll be with commentary. So, legit everything in here is going to be completely random as far as content of the cards and generations. So, I figured let's just start from the top. Does this look good?
Back a little bit. There you go.
Okay. Starting with a hollow Suicune. Going into a hollow Zoroark. A hollow Garbodor. Okay, looks like most of these are going to be hollows. Hollow Manaphy. Hollow Houndoom. Hollow Excadrill. Hollow Gliscor. Hollow Hydreigon. Ooh, that's cool. Hollow Druddigon. Another Druddigon, but non-hollow. It looks like a different... No, it looks the same. Never mind. Whoa!
Hey, I have that card.
Full art Zekrom. It's kind of cool. Oh, look at that. Full hollow Gardevoir. That's really cool. We have a hollow Floette. A hollow Axew. A hollow Zekrom again. A Hydreigon. A Glaceon. A hollow Dusknoir. That's cool. A hollow Latias. Another hollow Excadrill. A hollow Altaria. A hollow Terrakion. Hollow Thundurus, that's cool.
That's cool.
Another hollow Thundurus, cool. A Giratina hollow. That is freaking awesome. Hollow Luxray. Hollow Sizer. Oh, look at that.
Nice.
Hollow Venusaur.
That's pretty cool.
That is really cool. Hollow Emboar. Hollow Slacking. That's cool. That's really cool. Another hollow Zekrom. Hollow, I don't know how to say it. Pachirisu. Bless you. Ooh, hollow Zapdos.
Dude, whoa. Oh, okay.
Reverse
nice.
hollow Articuno.
Nice.
Another reverse
So
hollow Zekrom. Angel must have been a Zekrom fan.
Guess so.
Beautifly. Ooh, cool. I needed this one actually. Hollow Gudra. Another hollow Gudra. Hollow Aggron. That's really cool.
That is cool.
Hollow Claydol. I know a lot of people are a fan of Claydol. I've never got the... Ugh.
Oh my god. That's so
Hollow
cool.
Lucario. Shuckle. Oh, Keldeo EX. That's cool. It's our first EX card. Hollow Gallade. That's cool.
Nice.
Really cool. Manitrick EX. So it looks like from here on it's going to be EXs. Whoa. Trevenant.
That's cool.
Oh. Spoiler. Darkrai.
Okay, there it is. That's cool. Kyogre.
Oh, yes. Have I been holding him like this?
No, yeah, I like that.
Okay. Oh, my gosh. That one. Oh, I love Kyogre. Mega
Glalie.
Glalie. That's cool. Who's this? Malamar EX. A Golem EX.
That's cool.
Wailord EX. That's cool. Ooh. Kyurem EX. That's cool.
That is cool.
Ooh, white Kyurem.
Dude.
Veltal EX. Oh, nice. So cool. I love Hoopa.
Oh my god, dude.
And I don't know who this is, but it's a full art.
It's a cool card.
It's a really cool card.
Okay. Yeah.
Starting with, ooh, look at that. That's a cool energy.
Yeah.
Really cool. Another really cool one. Another really cool one. Another really cool one. Oh, there we go. Full art Zekrom.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Blastoise.
Yeah, that is cool. Empoleon, cool. Oh, look at
Nice.
that.
That's cool.
That's really cool. Cool. Hollow Zoroark. Ooh. Florgus Break.
The break cards are cool.
They are cool. Umbreon.
Nice.
Latias Hollow. That's really cool.
Oh, dude.
Darkrai Hollow. Love Darkrai. Kyurem Hollow. Really cool. Oh. Another point for Rayquaza. Whoa, look at this guy.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, another one. White Kyurem. Wow. Okay, we're coming down to the last few. Oh, full art Latios.
There's a lot of Latioses.
Yeah, there is. Ooh,
Whoa.
full art Dialga.
That's fucking cool. Dude, what the hell?
Full art Arceus. Oh, another cool Reshiram.
Whoa.
So cool. Okay, last card. You ready?
It's gonna be another energy.
Yeah!
May as well have been.
Oh, that is.
All right. I am still in shock of how many great cards were in here. So another huge thank you to Angel. You were awesome. I had a lot of fun making this one. So thanks everyone for watching and have a great one.